Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. Before I get to it, just a quick reminder, the special sale which I'm running will be ending later today. You can see it in here. What the sale is all about is that you can get all my educational and indicator packs all together for a discounted price. So the pack includes the Elite pack, which focuses on volume profile trading, Oriflow pack, which focuses on day trading with Oriflow, and investing pack, which focuses on long-term investments. You can get all three of them together for $5.97, but the sale will be ending later today. So if you want to get it for that discounted price, you should hurry up, because this page is going to disappear later today. Alright, so that's about the sale, and let me now switch over to the charts. So what you see before you is a TradingView trading platform, 30-minute time frame, and I'll be talking about euro dollar. On euro dollar, there are two resistances which are pretty close to the current price. The first one is at 1.0886, and let me show you the reasoning behind this one. It is based on a volume profile setup, which is called the trend setup. With this setup, you want to see a trend like here, and within the trend, you want to see significant volume clusters like this one, and also like this one. Those volume clusters are places where sellers who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their short positions. So those two places are very important for them, because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and that's why they should defend those places. So when the price makes a pullback to the first resistance at 1.0886, then I expect a reaction from there, a reaction from those sellers who are adding to their short positions in here. And if there's another pullback to this level, to the second heavy volume cluster, which is at 1.0908, then I expect another reaction of sellers. Alright, sellers defending this volume cluster, those volumes which they placed there. So that's the trend setup on both those levels. Both those levels are based on the same trading setup, and what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and take it from there. Alright, so that's for the euro dollar. Now let me switch over to a Bitcoin chart, because on Bitcoin there's another trading idea that I like to show you. Let me move this flexible volume profile like this, so we can see the volume distribution within this very long rotation area. So you're looking at Bitcoin chart, 30-minute time frame, and this is a very important zone because heavy volumes were accumulated there. From this zone, there was a sharp buying activity telling us that this was a zone where strong buyers were building up their long positions, right? And I'm saying that those were long positions because of this buying activity. Right here, this is the place where the volumes were the heaviest. That's where I have the support at 26,860, and when the price makes it back to this level at some point in the future, it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, it could be next week, I don't know, but when the price hits this level, I expect that there'll be a reaction, as buyers from here will want to defend the volumes which they placed there in that rotation, right? What I also like about this is that this is basically the beginning of that sharp buying activity. So that's another thing that adds strength to our level. Alright, so what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and take it from there. Now the next trading idea that I want to show you is on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So let's check it out. So this is a 30-minute time frame of the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, and what I want to talk about here is a trend setup, the same setup I used on the euro dollar. Let me move the chart a bit like this. so we can see more. So this is the downtrend, and very significant volume cluster got formed in here within the downtrend. So this volume cluster is telling us that this was a place where sellers were adding to their short positions as they were pushing the price downwards. And when there is a pullback to this level, to the beginning of that volume cluster at 0.5628, then I think there'll be a reaction as the sellers from here will want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price downwards. Right? That's basically the same scenario as I showed you on the euro dollar, so I think it's pretty simple to understand. Now, in this case, there's also one more thing that adds strength to that level. Let me show you. If I extend this line like this, then you can see that the price reacted in the past to that area. Not exactly to the level, but it's not important because supports and resistances are zones, not exact levels. So price reacted to this general area in the past, which means that it worked as a support, right? Because the price reacted there very nicely and sharply twice in the past. Now this support got breached, and that means that it turned into a resistance, right? And as you can see, the resistance is at the same place as we have that volume cluster. So actually this resistance is backed by two trading setups. One is volume profile setup. The other one is a price action setup, which is telling us that support became a resistance. All right, so this is the resistance, and we just wait for a pullback and take it from there. All right, so that's for that New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Now, before I wrap this video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The price of the contest is this set of indicators which I'm using with TradingView platform. Those are custom-made indicators which only members of my trading course have access to. And on your screen right now, you see the name of the person who won those indicators. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And the next week I'll randomly pick one person from the comment section to win this set of custom-made indicators. Alright, so that's for the contest, and that's also to wrap up this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video. And until then, happy trading.